Satellite communities, we don't think they'll ever have connectivity going in. They're just too far away to run fiber. They're too far away to get 4G or 5G. The only option for them will be satellite internet.
I'm taking classes to get my bachelor's degree in administration in the early childhood field. With the internet, it's made it a lot easier. I can see my professors during class. I can collaborate with my classmates.
OneWeb has helped in a lot of ways. It's more convenient for us, like ordering supplies and payments over the phone.
It is great to work with SpaceX. They are a fantastic partner. It's been very nice and exciting to start working with them and OneWeb.
We're really looking forward to the launch with SpaceX.
So when we get to the 10-second point, I'm going to need your help to count down.
The launch director has given that final go for launch. All systems are go for Falcon 9 and the 1x1 payload for launch.
Here we go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
0.
Let's go.
T-minus 15 seconds and counting.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
That is amazing.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Wow, I heard it.
1. Ignition. Liftoff.
Wow.
Это ступень отделилась, да? Спроси у Вадика.
So you can keep an eye on that stage 1 telemetry on that bottom left-hand side of your screen. Looks like we're going about 2,500 miles per hour right now and increasing rapidly. In a little under a minute here, we will have 5 events coming up in quick succession. So it'll start with main engine cutoff of the first stage, followed by stage separation, a stage 1 flip as it prepares to do the boost back burn, second engine startup 1, or the second stage, and we will start our landing burn of that first stage in just about 10 seconds here. You can see the Cape Canaveral coast on your screen on the right.
Safety.
Sonic boom that we talked about. Remember, if it exceeds the speed of sound, if it's breaking the sound barrier, that's the sonic boom.